Important. Complete video under 2 minutes. At this very moment, if you stepped outside and looked toward the horizon, the vast blue expanse that soothes and captivates billions would be gone. No waves crashing on the shore, no salty breeze, just endless empty land where water once ruled. Imagine a world where oceans vanished overnight. What would happen? How would life change? It's hard to picture, isn't it? The oceans cover about 70% of our planet's surface. They are massive, mysterious, and so deeply woven into the fabric of Earth's existence that without them, our very reality would unravel. But why do we rely on oceans so much? What secrets do they hold that sustain life in more ways than we even realize? Long before humans walked the Earth, oceans shaped the planet. They were the cradle of life, where the first cells bubbled into being billions of years ago. Ancient Earth was a fiery, hostile place. Volcanoes spewed, skies darkened, land was barren. Yet beneath the surface, in the dark depths of primordial seas, life found a foothold. These waters became a giant engine, cycling nutrients, regulating temperature, and breathing oxygen into the atmosphere. Without them, life might never have left the water, or worse, never started at all. But what about now? The oceans are Earth's thermostat, absorbing vast amounts of heat from the sun, spinning currents that distribute warmth around the globe. They pull carbon dioxide out of the air, buffering climate change. Fish and marine plants provide a vital source of food for billions. Even the air we breathe owes thanks to microscopic ocean creatures producing oxygen. So if the oceans disappeared, how would the planet respond? What would happen to the air, the weather, the sprawling human civilizations built along coastlines? Inside the human mind, oceans evoke profound feelings. They are the unknown, the vast mystery beyond the familiar land. Instinctively, we feel awe and fear. After all, the ocean's depths hide unseen dangers. Our ancestors told stories about monstrous creatures beneath the waves, about floods and storms sent by vengeful gods. These stories helped explain why the sea could be both life-giving and deadly. Our brains are wired to recognize patterns, to connect the ocean's rhythms with survival: fish for food, water for drinking, storms for caution. The ocean became a symbol of the unpredictable forces of nature, reminding us of our fragility. But here's the twist. If oceans vanished overnight, the immediate disaster might be just the beginning of an even stranger transformation. Freed from water's weight, Earth's crust would rebound, reshaping landscapes overnight. The atmosphere, suddenly lacking moisture from evaporation, would dry out drastically. The absence of oceans would disrupt the planet's magnetic field generated by currents in the liquid outer core, potentially exposing Earth to harsher cosmic radiation. And yet, life might endure in ways we can barely imagine. Microbes deep underground or in isolated freshwater springs could become the new pioneers. Could life evolve to thrive in this strange, oceanless world? Or would Earth become a barren rock, echoing the desolation of the moon? The ocean's disappearance is more than a thought experiment. It's a reflection of our relationship with the natural world. It makes you wonder, how much of what we take for granted depends on forces so vast we barely understand them? The oceans were never really just about water. They were about life itself, its fragility, its resilience, and its boundless mystery. And now, faced with the possibility of losing them, we are forced to confront a fundamental truth. Our existence is woven into the deep blue in ways we have only just begun to comprehend. Important. Complete video under 2 minutes.